Suleiman Tarawali, the chairman, Sierra Leone Traders Union, Tonkolele District Branch, Magorka.
We understand, say, they don't appoint somebody as Traders Union head na Magorka na ya. Wetin nobody.
Well, actually, we don't dey for this fight now for complete 4 months ago. We don't sit down for meeting. They don't ask me, the deal don't call me. The ISEC meeting, we don't sit down. I don't explain how my union come. So actually, they don't arrange for me. So now they're not going to stop me, my own union. They're not going to stop Pampas, the own union we come with, because all man gets right for belong to any association we want for belong. So now let me operate with my own union. Pampas they operate with your union. That time the vice president Sierra Leone Traders Union be there. The regional chairman na northern region be there when Amitab be there. Don the Kabbalah chairman be there, Kabbalah district chairman be there. Don me people the executive then na Masigbin, Matutuka, Bumbuna, my 91, they all been there. Can arrange all things, they know say now they be settle them. But the paramount them say the DOC make a hand over the keys to the paramount because the office are not rentam, are not bilam, it belong to the chiefdom. So I forgive the paramount the keys. So myself be say I will let them give me 1 month. DOC nothing. I not for take 1 month.
What are this deal?
The day I went Iseka Ture, Mr. Iseka Ture.
Okay.
Now you know the deal for ya. He said nothing. I for hand over the key. So I tell her, I say, Bo, I've been on there at this office for complete 5 or 6 years. I did it up to 10 years. I don't did it. So I feel say, I'm not going to left this no more. Today, I left it. I get for ready. I get document the day we have for tech for. Say nothing. They give me only 1 week.
How come you become chairman?
I've been there chairman. First, I've been there qualified Rwanda Petit Trader Association. They elect me. I come by election. They elect me, I win. So I did it for 5 years because the constitution mandates me say I did it for 5 years. After 5 years, so the Sierra Leone Traders Union come with the Minister of Trade Industry, they come, they can tell me say the association they cover only 50 people, 40 to 50 people. Where they control up to 200 to 300 people in a union. So now I come out from the petty traders, I go to the Sierra Leone Traders Union. Myself, I call meeting, I agree. I call me people them like the chiefdom. They sit down, arrange them, they elect me back, I win.
Who are them be contest against you?
Now it's Alansan Bangura, my 91. Now he be contest against me.
So, first way for the chairman, they need for vote for him.
Yeah, they vote for me.
But this person where you say, now they don't appoint, where how comes they not vote for at all?
They not vote for him.
How do this person?
Now Ibrahim Pampas Jalo.
Okay.
Now he did you appoint? He said the letter I come out from the resident minister. Now so he say. He said the resident minister he won't talk. Now policy where he don't talk, he don't done. So finally, Pampas for be chairman, and he don't endorse him for be chairman. So when he self don't talk, now policy. So as he don't talk, so nobody know for object, nobody know for ask a question, nobody know for do nothing. So Ibrahim Pepasi for begin operate from now. So I found over the keys to the paramount. I not be one do I call me executive. They say now, law key the paramount the key. Law see what they do. Bishop car take the keys. I go over give the paramount. The paramount take the keys. He hand over to Pampasi. But the paramount be don't talk say if you be key and the key, you know they give me, you know they give Pampasi. Like all man go rent to your office. But when I give the key now, will not come hand over the keys to Ibrahim Pampasi. So Bishop careful tell them say now we own society, we own union, they know the minister know they appoint for we, DO know they appoint for we, LUC know they appoint for we. The people that where they sell, where they do their business, that they elect the own chairman where they want. If you can't say they can't appoint somebody, we tell us say we know they work with them, and the trader they don't work with them. If he call meeting trader they don't get for body. So pass the politician the way they get the power, now they get for it. Because the man be don't tell me say in a born SLPP. So now if for hold the position because now the SLPP their own type. I tell them say but we the union no get politics. Me now people they be vote for me. The one the way they be vote for me, SLPP they be there, APC they there, PMDC they there, NDC they there, RFP they there, all the political party people they there. They
so
all
the
belong.
message now where they send out.
Well, the message why they send, first thing they tell me people that the traders they say now they elect me. I'm still chairman for Sierra Leone Traders Union. The man EO Union with EO Union not be one. He get United Indigenous Petty Traders Union Kulifa Ruala Tonkolele District. Me get Sierra Leone Traders Union Tonkolele District branch. And me boss the Freetown, the constitution there, they where they right from Labour Congress. All the Sierra Leone, the 16 districts, they all sabi me, myself sabi all the chairman them. And with the whole meeting, as any time with them, they sabi me already, they recognize me as a chairman, myself recognize as a chairman. Who boss president, the Freetown, the vice president, the secretary general, they all they tell me say make us sit down, encourage me members them. I tell them say be there as a chairman. Although they don't take the office in my hand because of politics, the paramount chief they all don't go inside politics now for pull the key in my hand. So I'm not here about that. But the people they call Alaji Masakma. Alaji Masakma. Okay. There's paramount chief Alaji Masakma. Now he there. So he with other chief them connive for pull the keys in my hand because of politics. They say government of the day. The paramount chief he talk, he say government of the day, he change even blood self he change up. I know they care for talker, I know they afraid because he talk in front of me, he talk at the front of the chairperson in the council. So I get witness where the coach also for say now so he talk, he say government of the day, I like my blood self government they change up. Say okay, but we own union, we own society, it not belong to politics. We own now we the pick for ourselves, we now pressure group. Now we the pick for ourselves, now we the elect. Past number we go tell stakeholders say now this should don't pick. If you now say when they can't pick for me, that person the trader they say they don't work with them. See, so the woman they say they don't work with them, they no one knows they no one sabi them because it not been take part in the union. And we on union care law, you are in a registered member where they pay you monthly suspicion, where they attend meeting, if they take care of the business people them. If you now you they ask for the union, now you they ask for position, now you they turn for position, you get right for both, you get right for both for you. But if you not get membership card, you know they participate in the meetings, you know they feed you card, you know get right for ask for anything by the union. You know get right for both for policy, you know get right for turn for any position.
So Mr. Ibrahim Van Persie Jallow we then don't appoint so by the authorities, they say the resident minister, the paramount chief, the DO, and they all appoint them.
Yes, sir.
So it means say you know they take part on.
You know be attend self meeting. You know they camp out meeting. Then today they were good trader themselves. They no sabi am because only when you do clean is you don't in shop. Now you know more sabi. From there you go now. It was trader they care like the accident always be they happen now to the traders. You know they see and they why they go bring greet the traders. If the trader die, I go there. You know, me know they see and you know they participate to no businessman. Now no more now they can't take out because of politics. They take out they can't put them part up the people that they say now for rule now. But we did and at any time now then they can't follow me palaba the executive they will pin then they cost me then they pull inch against me then they provoke me insecure in soeba in takai munoiri amun son bomudi. Now this talk all them back talk and they give me then they cost me. But the people let me that want to take action, I tell them say me na peace I want. The people they say last sit down. I want peace, I don't want fight, I don't want problem. So now the sit down will sit down, but still as a chairman, Sierra Leone Traders Union, Tonkolele District branch. Right. And they tell all the people them, the traders them, let them sit down peaceful, let them not fight, let them not do nothing, no wait for the last decision where the big man they get for take. But me no say as for now, although they don't take the office to me hand, I don't get side for whole meeting, trader get problem, I don't get side for Arija. Even like I tell you so, then they say he go because he they work with the police. Because of politics, he get the police where they work with. When an ops commander, as something happen in market, you go talk to police then camp. When see the camp, police already ask, then they say they arrest me, go lock me in a cell. Wednesday, they arrest me and I go lock me in a cell. LUC back say let them pull me. The mommy go they say let them pull me. The mommy the chairperson in the council. He said the word way the man talk, not to him talk him. Now me tell the trader they say let them not pay market dues because I not award the contract to nobody. I say if the people the trader they can ask Suleiman tell them so. Police, Papa Sikel policeman they go the SLPP man there. Now they have the camp back. The church boss. They be the comfort there. Now they load the SLPP people them. Now they load the car with the police. wey dem can also come on course wey dem cause na ya that woman wey dem say na him na the contractor now he tell me because he cause me say he point the finger for me he name Hawa na so dem dey call her they say Hawa Fufana he cause say he point the finger for me that other woman back he sef he call him pikin na chicha na MC he come back he curse me he wan fight me you see the other woman back he sef curse the other woman he there dem dey call am kuse he no to trader he no dey buy he no dey sell he dey no more na market area na he dey pass here he dey curse mami curse and the other one back there him brother wey dem dey call Said Bankura he sef he no to trader he no to nothing purpose na the service man dem wey dem no dey sell na dem dey take na dem dey bring the wetin sef then they say back dem beat one of him bobo we report na case na police say today that case dey dem no dey take am na e don be 3 weeks na e dey go so dem no take that case dey because of politics don sit don pan am.
Okay. Police. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.